Do not go for a fibroid surgery without seeing this video. I mean, do not go for a fibroid surgery if you've not watched this video. Now, most times when you go for a fibroid surgery, you notice that after a few months or a year, the fibroid grows back. And this time when it comes back in multiple form. That's because fibroid surgery is particularly not the best option. With herbs and some lifestyle changes, you can actually achieve that. Now, fibroids are non-cancerous growths that are developed in the uterus. Now, these fibroids are made up of fibrous tissues and muscles that may vary in size. There are 4 types of fibroids, but we will be talking about 3 types. Now, the number 1 on my list is the intramural fibroid. The second one is the subserosal. The third one is submucosal. The fourth one is the pedunculated fibroid, but we'll not be talking about that. The number 1, which is the intramural fibroid, this particular one is the most common type of fibroid. This particular one grows within the muscular wall of the uterus. The number 2, which is the subserosal fibroid, this particular one grows outside the uterine walls into the pelvis and becomes large. The number 3, which is the submucosal fibroid, this particular one is the most difficult to take out. Now, the reason is because this one grows under the inner lining of the uterus and bulge into the uterine cavity. Now you understand why it is the most difficult to take out. Now, which of these fibroids is the one you're battling with? Drop it in the comment section. Now, there are a few symptoms of fibroid. I'll be mentioning some of them. Lower abdominal pain, and it's not just hurting you, it is also growing, and you're not pregnant, it is just protruding. Excessive or painful bleeding, frequent urination, lower back pain, constipation, long-term chronic VJ discharge. You're unable to completely empty your bladder, pains during knacking, and many more. Now, for those of you that do not like DIY recipe, you want an already made. I'm talking about those people that are on my page already. You've seen DIY recipes all over, but you want an already made. And our already made comes with a free lifestyle note. Tap the link on my bio, send me a message, I'll respond as soon as possible. Note, duration varies depending on the size of the fibroid. So before you come into my DM, please know the size and the type. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to hit the follow button. Like this video, drop a comment, save, repost, share, add to your favorites. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram and follow me on YouTube. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.